requested to acquire self-knowledge and to gain self-confidence. Now our Bal Vikas student, Sanjana, will speak about Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba.
Om Shri Sai Ram. My humble and koti pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Lord Bhagwan Shri Sai Baba. By Bhagwan's grace, I take this opportunity with great pleasure to talk a few words about Bhagwan Baba. Bhagwan Baba was born on 23rd November 1926 as Satyanarayana, the 8th child of Ishwaramba and Pedda Venkaparaju of Puttapati village in the Penakonda Taluk of Andhra Pradesh. November 23rd is celebrated all over the world as the day of the advent of Bhagwan on his epochal mission. Swami's mission is to restore Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema and Ahimsa. Baba says the divine has no special day marked as birthday. The day when you cultivate holy thoughts, attitudes and modes of behavior in your heart. The day when you decide upon some activity of pure, unselfish service. That is the day of the birth of the divine for you. Sai, the living God, looks after and guides everyone in the world. His approach is global, irrespective of caste, creed, color and religion. He is universal, everywhere, everything, and is the mother and father of all, the creator of everything. He is the omnipresent God, manifesting himself in many different forms. Purity, unity and divinity are the way to God and also the way to joy, happiness and fulfillment. Find that way while you have the opportunity in this lifetime through your experience of Sai. This Kali Yuga is described as the most holy and beneficent, and man can now attain the highest through the mere thought of God and remembering his name, that is Namasmarana. Swami is an example of selfless, pure love, free from ego and desires. Swami says, love is the only path that leads you out of the wilderness and darkness. Let love pour out so that your own life is transformed. Sai is God, love and compassion. Live in Sai, live with Sai and live for Sai. Then both you and the world will be transformed. Jai Sai Ram.
During Bhagwan's school days, he was encouraged and inspired to write a short play dealing with human values. Through this play, he conveyed to the world that hypocrisy should have eschewed and everyone should live up to his word. Mere words are not enough. Your action should conform to what you speak. Let us watch the skit, Do Deeds Match Words? today's discourse with Om.
Can you please tell us about whom we should give charity?
You should not waste charity on able-bodied beggars and the indolent, but you should help the infirm, old, disabled or handicapped people. Never encourage healthy beggars like sadhus and haridas. Did you all get my point?
Yes.
We now end this session. Lokan samasta sukhino bhavantu. Lokan samasta sukhino bhavantu. Samasta sukhino bhavantu. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Amma. Mother, there's a beggar at the door. अम्मा, मैंने 2 दिन से कुछ नहीं खाया, बहुत भूख लगी है, कुछ खाने को दो, भगवान आपका भला करेगा।
Go away, go away. These beggars are a nuisance. Go away from here.
गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो राम राम बोलो हरि राम बोलो राम राम बोलो हरि राम बोलो।
Please wait, I'll get something for you. Please accept this and bless us.
गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो।
Dear mother, what did you teach your friends during your religious discourse? And what did you do now? You didn't give anything to the poor blind beggar, but you gave many things to the Haridas.
Shut up! You don't teach me what to do. Does anybody do as he says? Go to your father and do your homework.
Education is very important. One should obtain good education, overcoming every obstacle. I am ready to help those who want to study.
Sir, thanks for your monetary assistance from high-minded persons like you. I managed to pay my school fees, but now I am short of 1 rupee. Kindly help me, sir.
I don't have a single paisa with me. Look, my purse is empty.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, we are planning to keep a welcome party for the newly posted officers. I request you to give some contribution for this function.
In my opinion, such an important occasion has to be celebrated on a big scale. How much do you need?
200 rupees, sir.
Okay, here, take these 200 rupees.
Thank you, sir. Daddy, you spoke at length in glowing terms about the value of education and the importance of getting educated at any cost. But when the poor school boy begged for just single rupee for the sake of educating himself, you turned him down. On the other hand, you have really given 200 rupees for a function which is a waste. What?
Do I have to learn from you what I should and shouldn't do? Do deeds of people match their words? Shut up and go to school.
The inspector is coming. The inspector is coming. Good morning, teacher. Good morning. Sit down. Do you know the inspector of the school is visiting us today? By the way, how many lessons we have finished so far? 23 lessons, teacher. No, we have finished 32 lessons. But teacher, we have completed only 23 lessons. If you say that in front of the inspector, I'm going to punish you all. Do you want my punishment? No, teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you. I put to you now will be repeated in front of the inspector so that you can impress him by your correct answers. Madam, the new lesson you taught us today is about King Satya Harishchandra, who was dedicated to truth irrespective of consequences. Even as you taught us about such a noble person, you directed us to speak lies. Is it proper? Is there anyone whose actions accord with his words? 33rd lesson. It is about King Satya Harishchandra. Whatever.
Did your teacher scold you? Let me go and bring the teacher.
You are of course teaching me good lessons, but you do not allow me to act according to what I hear from you. Of what use are your lessons? I do not want to learn that.
I too realize my mistake. I'm sorry.
Son, I'm very sorry. I have realized my mistake. Now onwards, I'll do as I say.
I've learned a great lesson from you. Now onwards, I will practice what I preach.
Prayers really help us to create a bond between the Lord and ourselves. Here is a group song, Sai Sang Jeevan Bitayenge.
Sai ke rang se
to blessedness, the Lord has incarnated in human form as our beloved Lord, Sri Satya Sai Baba. Values are an underlined view uniting all of us. Values can form the basis for the realization of the ideal of a harmonious global family. Bhagwan declares, "My life is my message." To make our life His message, we must light our lamps from the flame of Bhagwan's life and teachings. In turn, others will light the lamp from the light of values that we spread around us. Thus, by this dissemination of values, the whole of the society and the world will be permeated by Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema and Ahimsa. This is the message conveyed in our next item.
Shri Sai Ram.
परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्मसंस्थापनार्थाय सम्भवामि युगे युगे। ज्योति